In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue where a Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry, because we'll walk through each solution methodically. Let's make sure your store can deliver to any desired location in no time. First, let's start by checking the shipping zones in your Shopify settings. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings, and then Shipping and Delivery. Here's where you can review your shipping profiles. Verify if the shipping zones are set up to include the regions you aim to target. Occasionally, these settings might inadvertently exclude certain regions. If your desired area isn't included, click Manage Rates and simply add the missing region to the proper shipping zone. Customized shipping zones can help ensure your customers feel included no matter where they are. Next, let's investigate the rates. Sometimes, a region is included in your shipping zones, but there are no shipping rates specified for it. In the same Manage Rates area of each shipping profile, check that all the regions have corresponding shipping rates. If a specific rate is missing, you can add rate by setting the shipping method and the cost, allowing those customers to proceed with their order knowing exactly what it will cost to reach them. One possible hiccup could also reside in your app settings, particularly if you've integrated third-party shipping apps. Some of these applications could have their distinct settings, which might overwrite your Shopify settings. Take the time to go through each app's preferences related to shipping and ensure they're aligned with your ultimate goals. Making these apps work harmoniously with your current conditions is crucial for a seamless shipping process. Moving on, let's not forget to inspect location-based restrictions that might be set in your product details. Navigate to the products affected by this shipping block, and within each product, ensure there are no shipping restrictions set under the variants, as this could be accidentally shutting out certain areas from purchasing that item. Additionally, double back to your fulfillment management setup. Ensure the order can be fulfilled from a location with stock available to deliver. If your store operates with multiple locations, make sure orders can be sourced from more than one place if necessary by adjusting the Manage Inventory section in your Shopify settings. Lastly, ride on feedback from your customers. If applicable, test placing an order yourself or ask a friend from the excluded region to help you replicate and diagnose the issue. This practical little exercise not only confirms that all settings are right but also adds a layer of assurance that you're providing a smooth shopping experience. To wrap things up, it's key to regularly audit and adjust these settings to roll with any new regional demands or operational alterations. By following these steps, you've implemented a proactive approach to solving this common hiccup. Keep these resolutions at hand, and happy shipping from your Shopify store.